Good morning, dear students. Today, at first, I want to recall what we have discussed in our previous class. We have discussed about zeros of a polynomial. You know, for what value of x you will get, the result is 0. That value is called zero of the polynomial. In a quadratic polynomial, there is you can find out 2 zeros. In a linear polynomial, 1 0, or in cubic polynomial you will get 3 zeros. Now see, in the last class I did not receive homeworks from older students. Again, I request all of you, please submit your homework in the evening. Exercise question number 3. Today we will discuss question number 3, exercise 2.2. Verify what are the following zeros of the polynomial. Verify what are the following are zeros of the polynomial, indicate against them. Means, suppose question number 1, px, polynomial of x is 3x plus 1 and x is equal to what? Minus 1 by 3. You have to verify minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this px or not. There are 8 questions, but I am going to solve 3 of them, and others you can do as homework. So question number 1, px. So you know already, last time I gave example like this. You can do. So in the place of x, first you write px equal to how much? What they have given? 3x plus 1. And in the place of x, put minus 1 by 3. Replace by minus 1 by 3. Then 3 into minus 1 by 3. You have to give bracket, okay, here. Don't forget. Then plus minus minus 3. What is left? 1 by 3. 3 you can cancel. What is left? Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 you can cancel. What is the result? 0. So what you got? After putting the value of x in px, you get the result is what? 0. So already we know that if the result is 0, then this is a 0. Therefore minus 1 by 3 is a 0 px. Understood? Okay. So see this one, second one. Solution. Px is equal to what? 5x minus pi. Okay. So you have to put what? In the place of x, what? This time 4 by 5, and you need to verify either it is a 0 or not. So 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 4 are 20 and 5 what? Minus pi. Now you are thinking that whether we have to put the value of pi or not. See, we know that the value of pi is what? Value of pi is what? 22 by 7. If you put in the place of pi 22 by 7, then this 2 will give you 0. No, it will not, because it is 20 by 5 means what? 5 4 are 20. So what? 4 minus pi. 4 minus pi. This is 4 and this pi is what? 22 by 7. If you replace pi by 22 by 7, then also you will not get. Or if you replace by 3 on 1 4, then also it will not. That means you will not get the result is 0. That means what? That 4 by 5 is not a 0 of px. Therefore 4 by 5 is not a 0 of px. Clear? One more. 8 number. There are they've given the two values of x, so you can check separately. Like this you can check case 1. No need like this. 4 x minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Then what is px? Px is equal to what? 3x square minus 1. Then p minus what? 1 by root 3. In the place of x, minus 1 by root 3. Then 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. Now see, 3. Now what is a square? Is minus 1 by root 3. If you square 2 times, then minus plus. Then what is left? See, for 1, if you see 1 is, when you, for 1, the square 1 square is what? 1. And for root 3, root 3 square means what? Root, you will get like this or not? Root 3 square, then square root what? Cancel. If square is cancel, you will get what? 1 by 3, and minus minus become plus. Understood now? Minus into minus square means minus into minus is what? Plus. So we are getting what? 1 by 3. Then again minus 1, 3, 3, cancel. What is left? 1 minus 1. So result is 0. Now one more they have given. So 4 x equal to what now? 2 by root 3. See, p minus p 2 by root 3, then 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1, then 3. Now see, there is no minus, okay, the direct plus 2 by root 3, so 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. How you got root 3? Already I explained here. So 3 minus 1, then 3, 3, cancel. What is left? From 2 by root 3 whole square you got 4 by 3, so 3, 3, cancel. What is left? 4 minus 1, what? 3. The result is 3. Means 4x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, you got the result is 0. But 4x is equal to 2 by root 3, you got the result is 3. That means minus 1 by root 3 is 0 only. 2 by root 3 is not a 0. Last you can write like that. Therefore minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of px, but 2 by root 3 is not. Understood? Minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of px, but 2 by 3 is not. Clear? Okay. So like this you can verify. Okay, next question. Next question, question number 4. This is the last question of exercise 2.2, and today we are going to complete this exercise 2.2. Question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following. See, that time in question number 3 they have given some zeros and we have to verify. Here you need to find out the 0 directly. So how to find out the 0? This is very, very important and interesting. How to find out 0? So how to find out 0? You can see like that. So means the result of px become what? The result of px become what? 0. In the place of x something you have to put, then the result of px become 0. Then only you can say that this is the 0 of px. So here you write like that. Assume that px equal to 0. Okay, you have to assume that px equal to what? 0. Now if px equal to 0, what is in the place of px? What is the value of px? X plus 5, right? X plus 5 is equal to what? 0. So therefore if you transfer 5 on the right hand side, then you can see minus x is equal to what? Minus 5. Now minus 5 is the 0 of px. Understood? Like this. If you have confusion, then you can verify. See, if you put in the place of x plus 5, if you put in the place of x minus 5, see, minus 5, then what is the result? 0. This part no need, but for self verification, see, minus 5 is the 0. Therefore minus 5 is the 0 of px. Understood? So like this you can find. Means to find out the 0, just you have to assume that px equal to 0. Understood now? Okay, next one. Px is equal to what? Twice x plus 5. From here you need to find out the 0. See, similarly px is equal to what? 0. Then 2x plus 5 is equal to what? 0. Then now you have to find the value of x. You need to find the value of x. 2x is equal to what? Minus 5. Then x is equal to what? Minus 5 by 2. So you can verify in the place of, by putting value of x minus 5 by 2 in the place of x here, you can see the result is 0. Last time I have done this verification. This one no need, but self verification you can do. Therefore that minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of px. Clear? Now here px is equal to cx plus d, where c is not equal to 0 and c d are real numbers. C except c means except 0, c and d are what? Real numbers. But c means c is not equal to 0 and c and d are what? Real numbers. This is the condition. Now if this is the polynomial, okay, here also you need to find out the 0. This is just condition they have given, nothing is there, just condition they have given, okay. So same rule, in similar rule we can use bx is equal to 0, then cx plus d is equal to also 0, means is equal to 0, which in the value of px is what? Cx plus d. Now find the value of x, means cx is equal to what? D minus d. Then if you transfer c on the right hand side, then you will get minus d by c. So this one also minus d by c is the 0 of this polynomial. You can verify it, okay. Therefore minus d by c is the 0 of px. Clear? So today you have especially learned two things. One is that how to verify zeros when it is given against of a polynomial, or on a more special thing, that is what? How to find out zeros. Okay. So now see your homeworks. Exercise 2.2 homework question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, and question number 4, 2, 4, 5 and 6. These are very small maths, you know, no? The calculations are also easy, so you can solve it, okay. So today we have completed exercise 2.2. In the next class I will try to start exercise 2.3. In case any confusion, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.